Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Alright, let's begin. First of all, start by registering on Bybit. You can find the registration button or link wherever on the internet. Just search for Bybit on Google and do it. Once registered, navigate to the rewards hub on Bybit. This can often be found within your account or profile options. Look for the option to claim your 20 USDT coupon. This might be prominently displayed or found under Claim Rewards section. Now, a key advantage of this coupon is that you don't need to undergo identity verification or make a deposit to claim it. This simplifies the process significantly. You can claim your coupon either directly from the Rewards Hub or by clicking on the Claim Now button, which might be available in the promotional materials or the platform interface. To use the coupon, simply tap on the Use button next to the coupon details. This will apply the coupon to your account and you can start trading with it. So that's basically how you can use 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.